Friends, running kimono. So we did not have a midweek deal yesterday because Miss Kimono was out at Dollar General making it rain with those penny items. But there's still some very cheap items, including free chapstick, batteries at 75% off, and some laundry with digital coupons, making that gorgeous $9.99 gain softener down to $3.79. Now, as I was saying earlier, Dollar General yesterday had a surprise HBA, which is health and beauty, everything shampoo, hair, lotions, and potions, a penny. Stuff that's been in the clearance section for a long time. So this penny list has been going on now for 24 hours. Started yesterday. If you want to see some visuals with UPCs, I'll link it at the very end. Remember, that is the Dollar General. Okay, so let's get right into this. We're back at Walgreens. We have these Energizer batteries that are 75% off. They'll either be $1 peely or on IBOTTA for the larger packs. You can get $1 back, so it'll make it super uber cheap. The smaller packs with the dollar coupon that's affixed to it would make it $1.79. The other one's like $3 after IBOTTA. Not bad. Now, if you find the generics, find these merchandise on a side cap or towards the front of the store near the candy bars, like a checkout. It might be on a side cap there. These little packs, the smaller ones, $2.49, or the larger ones, $4.79. All of these weren't re-stickered, but I know Wisconsin, other parts of Michigan, Illinois, all the batteries dropped on Tuesday. In store only, these 3 packs of the Minion chapsticks down to $1.29. If you can find 3 of them, you'll pay $3.87. And then submit to Checkout 51 app for $4 back, making it free. And yes, my receipt was approved. Now, with Checkout 51, it's a very, very fussy app. Do not use Register Rewards, a digital coupon, or Walgreens Cash. You actually have to show that you made the purchase, especially for something this small. If not, you'll get rejected immediately. And then another item by the Chapstick company is these 50-cent green apple lip balms that $4 off of 3 digital coupon is in fact not attaching with this. So just be mindful, not working. And I didn't use this one for the Checkout 51 rebate. I used the Minions, those little 3 packs, and that worked perfectly for me. Now, with the purchase of all these chapsticks, remember Fetch Rewards has this progressive, I think it's spend 10, earn like a couple of dollars back. And this was actually tracking for it. So definitely go and make this one happen if you could track it down. And this is in-store only. Online, there's still $2.49 for the Minion chapstick. I did find a couple laundry clearance, so I just want to point these out. We have this gorgeous softener that's usually $11.99. It's on clearance for $5.79, and it's just the regular scent one. We have a $2 digital, dropping this down to $3.79. 1 digital coupon per store card, but go and make this happen. It's gain. We also have these, it's a new type of product by Tide. It is not popular with customers. It's called a detergent tile. They didn't offer a high enough coupon, and most of us, couponers, regular shoppers, nobody tried it out because there was no high value coupon. This $2 with $11.99 drops it down to $9.99. If you want to wait, I don't even think for that price in the coupon it's going to sell out unless you desperately want to try it. Wait, I think it'll go 75% and still be in store. Down that aisle with all of the allergy medications, cold, a lot of this stuff is starting to populate at 75% off. I know this IBOTTA rebate is working on these products. For the Claritin, we also have a digital coupon, but you need to buy $5 or $10 or more to get that to work. The bypass is just to use IBOTTA and just apply for the rebate after purchasing the item for $3.29. Nasacort, these 120 counters, if it's on clearance in your market, $5.79. We have a $5 digital coupon, dropping this down to 79 cents for a product that's usually $22. I'm a Nasacort queen. I don't really care about Claritin. This is the gold medalist. It's so good. Never tried it before up until last month, but I am sold on it. So good for clearing up, especially if you have cat allergies. Fantastic. 10 out of 10, A+. Another product are the hauls for $1. I did try to buy two and then to see if that $5 store coupon is going to print. I believe that promotion ended last week. I could not get it to print. So just a word to the wise to let you guys know in case you're hoping and praying something prints. It didn't work for me. Last thing I'm going to leave you with is the 99-cent Downy scent beads. We got a $4 digital coupon. These are not going to be merchandised on a regular shelf. They're going to be on a side cap, meaning where the detergent is on the side shelf, because this product is not going to be sold in stores, so they're not going to give it a place on the shelf. So with this $4 coupon, it makes it 99 cents for these. It's like a sample size of these Downy Unstoppable scent beads. Definitely worth getting. I know a lot of you didn't get the P&G mailer, so this is definitely, if you wanted to try this new product, a way around it. Dollar General video linked right here. That penny list is still fresh. If you want to check it out and get out to a store ASAP, definitely worth it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.